Welcome to Sirappu Suvai. Today we'll make a very tasty milk cake or milk burfi. I have taken 1 liter of milk. For that I have added about 100 grams of butter, unsalted butter, and I've added about 80 grams of sugar. This is raw sugar, so the color is a little different. You may add raw sugar or white sugar, anything. If you want more sweet, you may add about 100 grams of sugar also. Add 1 teaspoon of Rava suji to it. Keep mixing on a high flame, otherwise it will boil and flow out. So keep stirring until the butter melts and there is enough heat for the milk to keep boiling. Keep stirring. When the milk starts to boil, stir and reduce the flame to medium. The milk will start rising high, so keep stirring so that it does not flow out. It will rise 2 or 3 times, but keep stirring, and after that it will settle and start boiling. So keep stirring until that, and check every 10 minutes, because every 10 minutes the milk will reduce and it will become thick, a little thick. So every 10 minutes keep stirring for a minute or 2. It is very important to have a heavy bottom pan, or you may use a non-stick kadai. Otherwise it will burn at the bottom. Take a tray in which you are going to set the milk cake. I have wrapped a aluminum foil. You may wrap a aluminum foil or put a parchment paper. If you don't have both, you can grease it with little oil and keep the tray ready to set the milk cake in the tray. So keep stirring. Now you can see that the milk has reduced to almost half in about 15 to 20 minutes, and the milk is a little thick now. The color has also changed to light yellow. Stir well and add cardamom powder to it. When you add the cardamom powder, it will be very aromatic because the milk has boiled well, and you added butter to it. So all the three together will give a real good aroma, and it will be a very good sweet. All that you need is little patience to make this sweet. It may take about 45 minutes to 1 hour for the dish to get the proper consistency. Keep stirring. Stir in the sides also and leave it, and again in another 8 to 10 minutes check and stir. You can see that it has reduced well and it has become very thick. You will get this consistency in about 30 to 35 minutes. Once you get this consistency, it will start thickening very fast. So keep stirring and see that it gets the proper consistency. In about 10 minutes, you will see that it gets the right consistency. So keep stirring well so that it does not burn at the bottom. This is the time that it could burn at the bottom, so be very careful and stir well continuously. Stir on the sides, otherwise the milk will stick to the sides and dry out and it will be a waste. So keep stirring from the sides also. Now if you think that the milk is sticking to the bottom, you may add 1 teaspoon of ghee. If it does not stick and it is getting thicker, then there is no need to add ghee to it. But if it sticks, you can add ghee so that it will come together. So keep stirring, and you can see that it starts to leave the sides of the pot and becoming more thicker. At this time you can see that it has become thick, and you can see little thread like forming around, from the sweet to the ladle. When you stir it well, it will not stick to the pot. You can see it's all coming together. At this stage you can transfer it to the prepared tray. Now level it and smoothen it with a knife or ladle, and when you take it in the hand like this, you can see that it does not stick to your hand. So this is the right consistency. It will take about 30 to 45 minutes to cool. You have to make pieces only after it cools, otherwise it will be very difficult. It will stick to the knife. So I am sure every one of you are going to make this wonderful dish, wonderful sweet, and enjoy it and comment without fail. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe. Click the bell icon and choose the all option, and you will get notification for all the videos that I post. You can make all the dishes, enjoy it. It will be like the store bought, so you can enjoy it. Everyone in the family will be very happy to eat it at home like this. And do comment without fail. Let's meet in the next video.